How to play YouTube in background on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's get started. To play YouTube in background on Android, first of all long press on YouTube app icon from the home screen. Select I icon. This will land you to the app info page. Scroll down and select open by default and then turn on the button for open supported links. Exit this page. Now open Google Chrome. Navigate to search bar at top of your screen and type in youtube.com to open the desktop site or the web version. So you can select the three dots at top right corner of your screen and then check mark the desktop site. After that, you simply need to select a particular video which you want to play and then open it. Afterwards, you can easily exit this section and open the notification panel from the top of your screen. You can easily swipe and at top right you can easily see the small bar which is the media player. You can easily tap on the play button and the video will continue playing in the background. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.